during the campaign, if nakahinungdo mo, niingon ko na bahala na mobility basta ipanig lang sa Tatay Digong. Sa Lagdan, Dalisay, o kami or sa Sambulias, no? Sa iyang pagmagamit ng diri sa ato ang GM. Magtagaan ito na sa pagpapang sa Mayor Samsam. I would like to read also Attorney Israelito Corion, Attorney Carion, Attorney Lanchong, Sir Dr. Bob Frances, and Mr. Paulino Canilio Del, and James Bagger from Davao. Father, salamat kayo sa iyong wali yan na Father. Ikaw kayo kung sa iyong wali as usual, no? Okay, huwag sa panang ng mga DPS, yun ang agawin ko. Nagaog na dito. Sa national, so ako lang isuwag ang akong message diri brani ko maningon. Today we gather here united by a common purpose to call for justice, compassion, and humanity. We are here to demand the immediate release of a man who has dedicated his life to serving our country. A former president, a national treasurer, President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. At 80 years old, he has given so much of himself for the Filipino people. Now he finds himself in prison in The Hague, far from his homeland, far from the people who love him. This is a situation that should never happen to any leader, especially not to someone who has fought tirelessly for our nation's progress and sovereignty. During the campaign, if nakahinungdo mo, niingon ko na bahala na mobility basta ipanig lang sa Tatay Digong. Sa inyong prayers, nadaog din lang ko sa endorso ni Tatay Digong. So karon nga nakadaog na ko, maningkamot jud ko tayo nga ma-proud ka na ko. Ug akong maserbisyuhan ang mga Cebuanos sama sa imong pagserbisyo sa ug tayo, salamat kaayo sa imong endorso. I will forever be grateful. Kung gusto mo tayo, may bawa ka na ako diri sa Cebu, suportaan mo sa mga DPS. Naalay ko, kapila, naalay gamay na nilibili, pero kasagaran ninyo na mo sa kuliran, o you are a part of my victory. I stand before you tonight as the governor of the province of Cebu. And I promise you, dili ta mo undang ang to, dili nila ibalik sila kanila. I beg those who have kidnapped him, have mercy. Release him now. This is not just about one man. It is about justice, dignity, and the moral soul of our nation. We cannot stand by a national treasure is taken away from us in this manner. We implore those in power to see the humanity in this situation. He is not a criminal. He is a Filipino who deserves our respect, our compassion, and our support. To the world, I say, Filipinos are a nation of compassion, of respect for our elders, and of justice. Let us not forget these values. Let us remember that our leaders should be judged by their service, their love for country, and their love for their constituents. Today, I call on everyone here, on all Filipinos across the nation, bring him home now. Let us stand together, raise our voices, and remind those in authority that justice and mercy must prevail. To President Duterte, we say, you are not alone. The Filipino people are with you. We will continue to fight for your freedom, for your dignity, and for the respect that every Filipino deserves. Daghang salamat, thank you, and may God bless our beloved.